Hello people of the world, this is Max here with a computer upgrade video. I'll record it after I eat this. Hello people of the internet, my name is Max and today we're going to be going to upgrading my computer. You may be wondering, but dude, your computer already looks kind of cool and it has like a 1050 Ti and like a i3. And like, I say yes to that. I agree. It's kind of overkill for like the games I play. Okay, some of the games I play. Anyway, yes. So the reason why I'm upgrading this is because you see that hard drive right there? That's a hand-me-down hard drive, 288 gigabytes from a Windows XP machine back in 2001. And it's running this thing. I probably should have gotten an SSD, but oh well. And if you're wondering why I want an upgrade, is because I'm looking through the camera. Okay, my hard drive I call my hopes and dreams, because you can name your hard drives, which is kind of cool in Windows 10. So yeah, its space is getting like less and less space is coming, and my family's making some noise. Hopefully you guys can ignore that. But yeah, anyway, this is my room. It's so messy because I just moved here, and there's a window and there's my curtains. Look, it's a box. Hey, look, it's more boxes and the stuff that's going to be upgraded, and computers, all working except for this one over there, which I'll do another video on. So yeah, and that's why I need this. Also, if we get up out of my IKEA chair, if we get out of that, we can go to the back of my setup here, and if you're wondering, because you probably can't see, we got two USB ports right there. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, another two here, and another two up here. Also a third one right there, right there. Yeah, and as you can see, I filled up pretty much all of them except for the USB 3.1 port, because I'm gonna save that in case I need it. So, in this bag of goodies from Microcenter, we'll be upgrading it. So, what we have to do first is shut down my computer. So, let's hope I don't fall while I get into my chair. So, I will get back to you guys after it is completely shut down. Oh, by the way, this is a TV, not a monitor. Okay. See you guys after shutdown. Okay, I'm back after shutdown. Little Betty's gone to sleep. Betty, I don't know what I needed. I needed something. Also, look, a door with my optical drive. Okay, but that's not what we're upgrading today. We're upgrading my hard drive and the USB thingy over there. So, let me tell you what's gonna happen. I'm gonna take off the stuff here and probably plug in. Need to find a new SATA connector over there or over there somewhere. So I plan to put USB there, and there's as you can see there, an open slot above the boot drive. So I'll be doing that. So we got our stuff down there. I like my homework. Yeah. Okay. I just realized I'm just going to do it. And it's Memorial Day too, and tomorrow's school day. Oh no! Okay, so I'm not gonna let you guys look at the goodies that are in there. Let's let you look at my computers over there, and that radio, and that thing, and the power strip and stuff. Well, look at that. Okay, we're back. So we got, not facing you, 2 terabyte WD Blue. Then next to it, we got that thing. So now I need to unbox these somehow with one hand, because I'm using one hand to hold iPhone 6s I'm recording this on. Nice legs, by the way. So let's see if I'm gonna open this first, because this is less special than that thing. Okay. How do I open this? I went with my dad to buy that at Microcenter, and he's like, wow, 2 terabytes. And I'm like, yeah, that's 2 terabytes. He's like, wow, 500 gigabytes cost $600. And I'm like, okay. First time I open something with one hand. So you guys can see that. Hold on a second. I'll wait. I'll just wait. I'll see you guys in a second after I get this out, okay? Okay, good. And we're back. So I got the thing out. This is a box. It costs that much, but I was like off or something because these prices and everything. So I can go over there for now. Just check it. So here we have. I should probably just discharge on something first. Or maybe we could get off the sand carpet with my foot. Okay, let's make sure I'm not. Okay. So there's the thingy-bobbler. We got a Molex connector. I do have a Molex connector in here, but it's at the back. At the back of the case. I haven't found at the retail managed to get that to work. I'm gonna keep that for something else probably. We got a CD that goes with it. Thank goodness I have the optical drive I showed you a second ago. But seriously, it's just USBs, they're not... Okay, I don't want to throw it. Okay, so... Okay. So we got this thingy. So I guess this is... Focus iPhone. I feel like an iPhone, not my GoPro, because we just moved. Focus? Focus? Okay. So we got, it looks like we got SATA power to a Molex, which is nice. Let me look at it myself, because after, oh, it says SATA power on it. It probably doesn't say, it doesn't say Molex on this, because I dropped it. So here's the actual bit of tech. So you got plug-in. It's a really tiny video card because it has plugs, right? So we got. I don't want to drop this. Okay. We got 4 USB 3.0. I don't know why that's it. Oh, that's a USB 3. 1 second while I re-grip my phone. I don't know. I gripped it the old way. So we got stuff, I guess. It's just look at the gold. Okay, put this down. This throw it out of the way. Keep this. Okay, we got this thing. Oh no. I need this. I'm holding it backwards. I'm gonna need it. So I'll be back after, you know, everything's out like the other one. Okay, bye. Okay, here we go. So here's the 2 terabyte hard drive. Oh, it looks amazing. And it's bag. Here we have whatever the heck this is. I'm holding it backwards. Okay. Quick install guide. I don't know how to install a hard drive. I took this computer apart like twice. The cables only though. You like that shaking effect? So we got. Oh, and this is in a bunch of different languages, is it? Oh, this is useless. What's this? Warranty guide. I don't need that. Oh, is that the side? Look at my keyboard. Okay. Move that drive. So here we got screws. Yeah. Screw you, because I got toolless mounts. I don't need these. Yeah, I'm not throwing that away. Okay, now you spin around, I guess. I spun around too far. So I'll put this right there. Pick you up. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to, I don't know, take this out. It looks so nice. It can stay like this. Put this on my wall, and then we're good. I probably shouldn't push down the back too hard because that's like where the platter is. So let's see if I can get this off using. Oh, I can get this off. Oh no, that's a bad noise for that make. Don't need that. Okay, let me put this in my lap while I do this. Crouch cam, that's my leg cam actually. Just check it. Oh, laundry basket. Oh, that's clean clothes actually. No, it's not. Here it is in all its glory. So we got a pier somewhere. Oh, that's probably where the connectors are. What does that say? Do not eat, die, something, something. FNS dissectant? I don't know. Dissectant. Yes, totally. Dissectant. So, okay, now I need to get it out of the plastic stuff and spin it around in my lap. Okay. Oh, is it like... It's like the astronaut ice cream I ate at the start of the video. Oh, wait, no, there's the SATA ports. Then what the heck is over here for? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Okay, so I need to open this now, somehow. There you go. Okay, hang tight a second. If it would come out, that'd be nice. Yeah, shake the giraffe. I'll use my hand with the camera in it to look at my pinky finger. Oh, I scuffed my hand. Really? Can you imagine that? No one likes you? Okay. So here's the... What's this mean? I'm not sure if I shocked this or not. It'd be funny if I did shock it. I didn't have any warranty sticker. So... hard drive. Simple. Got jumpers and stuff. It's a hard drive. Wait, hang on a second. Oh, I got interrupted by somebody. Anyway, so we got ourselves a hard drive, but I didn't get to say that. Or I got a screwdriver to open this. So I guess let's open this up first. Okay. Who put this on my screwdriver? Okay. Dramatic! Run! This is so stupid. Okay, so we got two screws per side. This is gonna be fun. They're gonna be really fun. Let's get the SATA thing first. You would be in here. You would not be in there. You wouldn't be the one under it. You'd be the one over here somewhere. Ow, you stupid. My foot's scratching. No one likes you. Put you in this box. Let's go. Oh, little brother's clothes doing right there. He sleeps in the room. Okay, flat need so this one I want. Right? What? The heck? Okay, no, it was this one. Oh jeez, okay, set that aside. By set, I mean throw. Back in the box. Come on, man. This isn't working good. Okay. Also, this is an awesome motherboard. It has everything, even does Optane, but I don't think it does SLI, which sucks. I could do Crossfire. I'm not an AMD boy. Not at all. Not an AMD boy. What's that? Oh, it's a book. I thought that was my hard drive. So yeah, SATA. SATA. Now let's open up the computer, shall we? I'll open up the side panels for you. Cause I can't do it all the I can do that. I can't do that with one hand. I mean I can, but like not like that. So like that. And I'm back. So I realized my awesome cable management job I did. You know? Just amazing. So I found the Molex connector is like somewhere down here. Here's one. Actually, here's the entire thing. I'm like, stupid. It might fit. Okay, I'll leave that out. Okay, so we got SATA down here. So you got another SATA right there. Okay, so we can do SATA. Go unplug this. Okay, let's get this out. You see, look at that toolless. Amazing. Okay. So as I try to get into my chair with two things in both hands. Oh no, I hit the chair with my leg. No, 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 no. Come back here, chair. Okay. Back in the chair. Get my awesome hard drive. 2 terabytes. Wow. It looks really cool. Okay, I remember putting things in here was kind of hard, so I'm gonna edit that out too. So you know. Reasons. So I got the thing in. Took me 30 minutes, but I got it in. Never taking it out. So gotta put this in. So yeah, it goes there. I need to look at it in the real world, not on here now. So fit in the hole. That's what she said, but you know, just do it. Okay, it's in. Now squeeze. That's in. All right, that's it's in. Okay. Then I reroute SATA and route in other things. So again, I'll just go. I'll edit it out too. Because I can't film with one hand. If I had a tripod, I could do it now. You guys could watch me, but no. You have to live with the things I've really. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, that's in, so now time for the USB. Okay, I'm here now. I put everything in. There's the lovely card right there. You probably can't see it because, well, one of the computer lights turn on. Okay. Get the TV remote. Turn it on. As I'm turning it on. My dad has apparently joined us today, or he's going to the bathroom, like always. I'm posting that on YouTube, by the way. Exposed. Okay. This is our TV. Okay, so now TV's on. It says no cable because we haven't turned it on yet. This is the on switch. That click noise was the disk drive making a test. Okay, this is just says no signal now because it's booted up. Hey, you got it. Okay. I didn't break the thing. It probably wouldn't have happened. But let's watch this. Dun, dun, dun. This is gonna take forever. Oh, we got it, I think. No. Anyway, I bring the boxes back because I like to keep those. You know, like the other boxes, so I can get like extra SATA connectors. I got this, which I haven't actually read that yet, so let me read it myself. Oh, warranty extension. I don't need a warranty. This is USB. It costs that much. It costs only $40. That's how much a 1 terabyte hard drive costs. Actually, no, that's a lot of money. Actually, let's think about it. Yay! Okay. Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna type my password in and blah blah blah. You're not allowed to see this. It's already okay. Try to type in my password with one hand. Dun 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 dun. Seagate. Yeah, cause it's a C with a gay over it. I thought that was kind of cool. You got a $50 bill up here. This thing's for kids, by the way, so you know that's like the stamp thingy isn't there. As you can see, it's not. And Illuminati is replaced by a guy with a hat with that says Illuminati. That's a kid, actually. Okay. Here it is. Let's check if I didn't break the drive while it was in transit. Oh, I got a stupid song right there. Okay. Look at my background too. It's of something something. Go away, Steam. Okay, then we got. The drive is not showing. I might wiggle the SATA cables. Cause I'm not sure. I'm not even sure what they got in. And I'll do a restart. So hang tight. Okay, after a long time, I got the thing working. So, I've been watching a second video. I'll change the tab. I don't know if this is copyright, but you know, there you go. So, I got the hard drive working. I called it Life is Good. My boot drive is called My Hopes and Dreams. So this, I moved all my documents, downloads, music, pictures, and videos folder into here, which is nice, I guess. But Fraps and NVIDIA and Steam are still going to remain in, you know, here. I really wish I could run that, because, you know, I need to have the disk in, apparently. I haven't tested the... what is that going to called? USB. I haven't tested that yet. Here's me doing my homework. I just remembered to record this as I was doing my homework. So props to me, right? Okay. So I'll update the other part. So you know. Happy days. Yes, happy days. So, this has been my video, I guess. And so it's currently, for me, like almost 9. So, out of the box, trying to do a spin. So, while you guys see my chart, good night, everybody. Because it's that time of day. Or just have a good day, everybody. Have a good day.